By this video, I'm going to explain to you in details what we do when we are dealing with health conditions, people who are already suffering one condition or the other. Though basically dietary supplements are used mainly for preventive purpose, that is to ensure that you don't get the condition, you don't get sick. But if it happens that you are already sick, you need some combinations of Live Pure dietary supplements to help relieve you of the condition that you are in. So I'll pick it one by one from one condition to the other to explain to you the combinations of the products that we need to use. So I'll start with eye problem. Eye problem could be in the form of glaucoma, it can be cataract, it can be blurred vision, it can be watery eyes, or any other thing that you are going through. Generally, it's because some people might be deficient in antioxidants. Once you are deficient in some antioxidants, it's going to affect your body's ability to fight off infections and some other conditions. For instance, the glutathione. So we use a combination of Cleanse and Pure Excel. These two products are used when we are dealing with health eye problems. Anybody with an eye problem. And in fact, I've used these products for some clients and it has worked perfectly. I've used it for clients, it has worked, a number of them. So the person will start with Cleanse. But everybody or anyone who will take Pure products must begin with Cleanse, except someone who might be pregnant. If somebody is pregnant or lactating, you might not have to, it's not advised to take Cleanse. But any other person who will be consuming this product must start with Cleanse. So somebody is suffering glaucoma, cataract, blurred vision, watery eyes, and any other eye condition, you start with Cleanse. You take one Cleanse and you continue with Pure Excel. And when you do this, within some time, depending on the severity of the condition and your body's response, because some people's bodies respond quicker or quickly than other people. So depending on the condition of the person and your body's response, you may consume 1, 2, or 3 of Pure Excel. But I have a student who consumed only 1 Cleanse, 1 Pure Excel. He said, I cannot read. I find it difficult to read beyond 2 hours. I said, call your parents, let them send you money for Cleanse and Pure Excel. He started on a Saturday, and by Wednesday, he was already testifying using Cleanse. He hadn't gotten to Pure Excel. So these two products are very good when we are dealing with eye troubles. Aside this, we can also use these same two products when we are dealing with ulcer, gastritis ulcer, that is stomach ulcer. And apart from gastritis ulcer, some people may have leg ulcers, ulcers from other parts of the body. In fact, this Pure Excel contains some ingredients that help with quick healing of wounds. We are talking about superoxide dismutase. It helps with quick healing of wounds. So if somebody has some wounds, like as we are talking about ulcer, there's a wound in the tummy, there's a wound on the leg. If you want to deal with it, you can use this. There is something the father of medicine, Hippocrates, said. He said, let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. So the moment you begin to inject food has healing properties. Then when you inject food like this into your system, it begins to weed out the ulcer and quickly heals the body. So Cleanse and Pure Excel are very powerful products when we are dealing with any kind of ulcer. We can also use Cleanse, Pure Excel, and organic sulfur to deal with diabetes. I've used this product for some people and it has worked perfectly. Cleanse, Pure Excel, organic sulfur. If you are diabetic, it doesn't matter how long you have been in that condition. If you begin to inject into your system the right nutrition is very key as far as our health is concerned. If you begin to inject Cleanse, Pure Excel, and organic sulfur into your system, you are going to get out of diabetes. I've used this for a woman who has been diabetic for some years, And previously, this woman used to be managed at Tamal Teaching Hospital. Sometimes they can admit her for 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3. When she used Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build, Organic Sulfur, and Daily Build, because she had been hypertensive, so I had to add Daily Build. She has since been very stable in her health. So Cleanse, Pure Excel, Organic Sulfur are very good dealing with diabetes. We can also use Cleanse, Pure Excel, and Daily Build to deal with hypertension. Hypertension is now known as a silent killer. In fact, a lot of adults and even now young adults are suffering hypertension. You don't have to continue to suffer hypertension any longer. Once you are in touch with Live Pure dietary supplements, that is Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build, you can get hypertension out of your life. Now somebody will ask, how are these products able to do it? Because probably the person has been going to hospital for several years and nothing seriously has changed. How am I going to convince you, or how will you be convinced that these products can do it? These products are able to deal with the problem from the root. There is a reason why somebody is hypertensive. And once you are able to deal with the root or cause of the problem, then you get the person back to health. In fact, we can use this combination also for people who are suffering from high cholesterol. Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build. I use it. In fact, a woman who had been to the hospital, the lab, and was told that she had high cholesterol. The son bought 2 Cleanse. She didn't even have the opportunity to take this combination. Cleanse, 2 of them. By the 3rd day when I called her, she told me that previously I cannot lift my right hand, but now I can lift it up. And since then, she has been very stable. So Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build is a very powerful combination with hypertension. Cleanse, Pure Excel, and Daily Build can also be used for men that are suffering from prostate enlargement. Prostate enlargement now is a very common condition among men, even starting from age 40, some even less than 40 years. They begin to suffer prostate enlargement that is characterized by frequent urination. The extreme form of it will be where they will have to fix a catheter for you as a man. You can get out of prostate enlargement and any form of prostate problem by using Cleanse, Pure Excel, and Daily Build. Now, we can also deal with weight problem. Some people are suffering with weight, and dealing with weight, primarily there are 2 main products that you can use to fight weight. You are obese, you are overweight, you are struggling with weight. Get Cleanse and Sleep Train. A friend of mine, a mate in the university, took 1 Cleanse, and in a week he was able to reduce his body weight by 5 kilos. Just 1 Cleanse. So Cleanse is a weight management product. Apart from dealing with constipation and other stuff, you can use Cleanse to manage your weight. Now, I'll explain a bit about Sleep Train. What does the Sleep Train do in terms of weight management? Sleep Train delivers a hormone by name melatonin. It delivers it in stages. That as you have quality sleep, people sometimes are not able to have quality sleep. Someone will tell you that I'm going to bed 1 hour, 2 hours, he's still not sleeping. The fellow is struggling to sleep. When he wakes up also, he cannot sleep again. So sometimes probably 2 a.m., 3 a.m., when the fellow should have been in bed. You can use Sleep Train to be able to fight this. Melatonin will help you to fall naturally into sleep and to wake up refreshed. And while you are asleep, there are some ingredients called capsaicin and red pepper extract that helps with the burning of the calories as you are on bed, resting or relaxing physically and mentally. So these 2 products are weight management products. We can also use 4 products, that is Cleanse, Daily Build, and Organic Sulfur. There are people who are suffering both hypertension and diabetes. If you are suffering hypertension and diabetes, these are the 4 products that you need. You need to consume cleanse in 1 week, and when you are done with that, you now move to taking Pure Excel, Daily Build, and Organic Sulfur simultaneously. You need to take them together. We do not usually combine cleanse and any of the other products. You must finish up with cleanse. So when you are done with cleanse in 1 week, you begin to consume these 3 products in the subsequent weeks. And when you consume these 4 products, if you were suffering diabetes and hypertension and you are able to consume these products for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you are going to get out of diabetes and hypertension. I've used it for people, some who have not even consumed it for 2 months. They have not consumed it even for 2 months, and their health have improved drastically. So you can get on board, use Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build, Organic Sulfur, and drive out diabetes and hypertension out of your life. We can also use these 4 products when to deal with kidney problems. Kidney problems have become very common in our age. A lot of people are suffering kidney problems. The solution to this problem using Live Pure products is Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build, Organic Sulfur. As I said earlier, you take 1 cleanse in a week, and then you continue with Pure Excel, Daily Build, and Organic Sulfur. In subsequent months, if you want, you can come back. That is, maybe say in 2 months, you can come back and pick another 1 cleanse again. But in 1 month, you don't have to consume 2 of this. So Cleanse, Pure Excel, Daily Build, Organic Sulfur are very good dealing with kidney troubles. If you want to deal with asthma, some people are asthmatic, they have been using inhalers and all sort of things, and they are not getting that better. What we need to dealing with the root of the problem. Usually asthma is as a result of the narrowing of the respiratory tubes. When you use Cleanse, Pure Excel, Organic Sulfur, you are able to weed it out. Now Cleanse cleanses the body using 7 elimination pathways, and that includes the lungs. And the lungs is part of the respiratory system. So if the respiratory system is narrowed as a result of accumulation of anything or whatever infection that you might have suffered that resulted to the narrowing, you first of all clear those things using Cleanse, and then you continue with Pure Excel and Organic Sulfur, and you can get out of asthma. So that is it for asthma. There are many other things that we can use these products for. When we are dealing with ulcer, we can just use Cleanse and Pure Excel. Ulcer, lots of people are suffering ulcer, all kinds of ulcer. Whether it is leg ulcer, it is whatever ulcer, just use Cleanse and Pure Excel, you are good to go. You'll be able to deal with it and you'll be out of ulcer. I have a student who used only Cleanse. Said he has been suffering ulcer for the past 2 years, using only Cleanse. 2 months down the line, he doesn't suffer any ulcer pain. So that is it for ulcer. We can also deal with male and female infertility. Some people have married for the past 3 years, the past 4 years, some even into 10 years, and they have no issue. In Ghana as we speak, I'm not talking of any other place, I'm talking about Ghana. In Ghana as we speak, we have a woman who has delivered a baby out of Pure products. And as far as I know 3 other ladies who are currently pregnant, and it's because of the use of Pure products. This woman who has just delivered has been in this condition for the past 12 years. She and the husband has been infertile or barren for the past 12 years. They met a medical doctor in Ghana who is also an IBO in Pure and Live Pure, and he put them on Pure Excel and Daily Build, and that brought them a baby. You can also join this team. Don't continue suffering the problem of barrenness. Pure is here to get you out. You know, I'm a man of God. As a pastor, I believe that some people might be suffering these challenges as a result of spiritual issues, but some of the problems are physical. Somebody might not be conceiving just because of the lack of certain vitamins and minerals in the body. Just take 1 cleanse and continue with Pure Excel and Daily Build, and you will be able to have your miracle baby through Pure products. So time will not allow us to continue. I'll pause here and then I'll continue this video later. The Lord bless you. I'm Reverend Enoch Elias Osalifu, and you can contact me on 02495 86226. Pastor of Perez Chapel, and a teacher in Nkwanta Senior High School. God bless you.